Hello friends, my name is Anuja and I am a certified medical coder. In today's video, I am going to review one of the most renowned medical coding institutes to help you decide whether you should begin your CPC exam preparation journey with them. But before I jump into the actual review, I want to share the 10 important points that I will consider in this review series. This will help you understand exactly what matters when choosing the right institute. First, I will talk about the accreditation and recognition of the institution. Is it officially recognized? Is it aligned with industry standards like AAPC guidelines? Next, I will review whether the curriculum is updated and detailed. Does it cover the latest coding guidelines? Is it aligned with current CPC exam patterns? I will also evaluate the teacher's experience. Are they certified coders themselves? Do they have real industry exposure? I will also check whether they provide hands-on training, real-life case studies, and practice exercises as a part of curriculum. I will speak about the exam, CPC exam preparation, all support that you get from the institution, internship and job after completion of the course, access of updated coding books. If yes, for how long? Is it for a limited time or is it for a lifetime? Do they provide access to updating coding books? I will also be talking about delivery options, whether is it online, offline or hybrid. I will also analyze reviews from past students, whether they are successfully cleared the AAPC CPC exams. Finally, I will evaluate whether the course fee is justified, the duration is appropriate, flexible payment options are available. So now let's begin the review. Let's review Eduwatt Medical Coding Course, and this course is offered by Eduwatt's Medical Coding Course. So now let's review this. It is aligned with AAPC and they are offering medical coding course certification with 100% job support they have. Okay, the curriculum is good, which will make you prepare for AAPC and CPC exam. But the only thing that is missing here is AI. And AI is the most advanced topic to be covered to be a medical coder. So this is a disadvantage. They are not covering AI. Now let's check what else they have. Exam assistance they are giving for AAPC, CPC exam. Okay. Hands-on experience they are giving. Okay. 90 hours of intensive training is there. But they haven't mentioned it is online or offline. And what else they have? Okay, this was it. This is the course Eduwatts offering this much itself. They haven't mentioned anything else. About the practical training or the books part, they haven't mentioned anything. If we talk about the reviews, testimonials are there. You can check it out by yourself. Okay, so now let's rate this institute according to these parameters. Accreditation and recognition, as it is aligned with AAPC, so I would rate this 1. Updated and comprehensive curriculum. The course is good, which is aligned with AAPC and make you prepare for the exams, but AI part is missing. So I would rate this 0.2. Qualified and experienced instructors, they are not talking anything about this, so I would give this 0. Practical training and case studies, again 0. Certification exam preparation support, I would give this 1 because they have certification exam preparation support. They are making prepare for CPC and APC exams. I would rate this 1. Internship and job placement assistance. They are not talking anything about this, so I would give this 0. Access to updated coding books and software. Nothing was mentioned, so I would give this 0. Flexible learning options, online and offline. Nothing was mentioned, so I would give this 0. Student reviews and success rates. Testimonials are there. You can check it out by yourself. I would rate this 0.4. Okay, course fees, duration, and payment option. Nothing was mentioned, so I would give this 0 again. Okay, so the overall ranking we have here is just 2.6. And personally, I don't recommend this institute as they are not covering AI, which is one of the most advanced topic to be covered. Also, if you talk about the course, they haven't mentioned about anything about the practical training part or the books part. So I would not suggest this institute. Meanwhile, if you are serious about your career in medical coding field and want a best institute which covers all these parameters and gives you 100% placement support, then I have already mentioned one of the best institute. You can check it out. They gives you 100% placement support. So you can check it out. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching.